Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान एप्रिल 2025 ते मार्च 2026 या काळात केल्ल्या निरीक्षणा प्रमाण गोंयभर वातावरणीय हवेचो दर्जो सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी आसा. पूण कुंकळी, तुवें, दिवचल, वास्को, वेर्णा आनी कुणय उद्देगीक वसणुकांनी हवेचो दर्जो तितलोसो सुदारूंक ना. हांगसर हो दर्जो सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी ते मॉडरेट आसा. वर्सुकी प्रमाण विचारांत घेतल्यार कांय वाठारांनी PM10 कणाची सरासरी मर्यादे परस मातशी वाडल्या. 2024 ते 25 आनी 2025 ते 26 ह्या 2 वर्सांच्या आंकड्यांची तुलना केल्यार वास्को, फोंडें आनी दिवचल हे 3 वाठार सोडल्यार गोंयभर PM10 कणाचें प्रमाण एकंदरीत कमी जाल्लें दिसून आयलें. वास्को, फोंडें आनी दिवचल वाठारांत PM10 वाडपाक वाहनांची वाडटी संख्या, बांदकामां, रस्त्याची कामां ही प्रमुख कारणां आसात अशें अहवालांत म्हटलां.
If you see comparatively in 2025-26, there has been improvement into the air quality. Now, I would not say like there is one establishment, one unit is responsible. There are various factors which are responsible for it. For example, the vehicle movements which are continuously being taken, some constructions sites which are there, some digging points also there. So comparatively, if you see this year, there is an improvement. It has come from the good to satisfactory or satisfactory to moderate also.
This time it's good, no?
This time comparatively, it shows that it is better. PM10 and PM2.5, which we mostly concentrate on. Now what happens that because of vehicle movements which are there, that also come collectively, and it shows that sometimes their quality is.
सध्या गोंय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाची शारी, उद्देगीक, खण, व्यापार आनी निवासी वाठारांत हवेचें निरीक्षण करपी 18 केंद्रां आसात. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.